Sapar mar odhiambo machiegni nyakwara Ramogi mondo miyud weche manyien chenro mar kagi kacha. Nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel. Ka wachako eni Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod ogai maduong' bura mar ODM Raila Odinga lieko chenro madwaro keto mongirore piny owacho mar manywanda kane gilose kaunti wa Mombasa tok yiero manobagi e piny Ethiopia boma Addis Ababa. Kama Odinga ne orem yudo kom ne giyango simo paro kuom jopiny kod sectors mamoko kendo yango okang' magibiro kawo. Ne ginyiso chiwruok e piny owacho ma manywanda ka giwacho ni biro kelo lokruok e pacho ka.
This morning, as has been said, both by the DP and Prime Minister Raila Odinga, we close ranks as a country and focus on what we can do for Kenya, the necessary political capital that is required to move transformative programs in our country. Now exists courtesy of the broad-based government. My good brother Raila Odinga, you represented Kenya very well.
Are available to help the continent of Africa, but more importantly, we are also available for Kenya. I'm back home here. I'm going to meet with my friends, my supporters, and I'm going to consult widely what's going on forward, and in due course we are going to announce our way forward. Today we just came to meet, asked for this meeting to come and thank the President and his team for the support they've given.